if you want to increase the amount of money you charge per client and you want to start charging 1, 2, 3, 5,000 euros per project or per client, the best way how to position yourself as an authority is actually by implementing a mechanism. In this video, I'll show you 3 mechanism types you could implement in your business to have more authority, charge more for your services, and to be seen as something unique in the marketplace. Hi, my name is Nick Jansons. I have a company called Sharpify where we help to build end-to-end marketing systems for teams. Plus, we have software that helps you to turn more leads into actual paying clients and manage your customers and your business that way as well. With this video, I have made a presentation, so let's go into it. So types of mechanisms. Let's go from easy to the hardest, but the hardest has the most upside. So think about that as well. So first of all, what is a mechanism? The mechanism is kind of like, I like this picture a lot because it's like a missing piece in your mind about that, hey, this thing with this outcome is gonna get me actually there right now. Because let's be honest, there's 3 big things everybody wants us to kind of buy, 3 big benefits: make more money, have a better relationship, and improve your health, right? And then they go into sub-markets, sub-niches. So all of it, it's similar, right? All of marketing services could be kind of associated the same thing, making more profit or more money, right? Either way, right? Saving, blah, 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 doesn't matter. All in one place. But the mechanism is the key missing thing that I feel, okay, this thing is looking at something new, something different, and it is the missing piece. I want to give also where credit is due. So credit to Todd Brown, where I read his book, Some Mechanism, has changed my life. So to give you an example of what is the mechanism. So both of these books talk about the same concept, which is outsourcing to build a business. One of these books suck. The other book is like millions of copies sold. Which one is it? What do you think? It's most likely the book on the right? Why? Because it implements a mechanism called the 4-hour work week. Boom! Create something new, something like here, the missing piece. Oh, that's so brilliant. That's like my missing piece, right? But they talk about the same concept, but this one has more persuasion, more selling ability because it is perceived as something way different than other books in the marketplace, okay? So number 1, the first type, anybody can use. So you are right here, you have no mechanism, right? You're like, I'm like brand new to this stuff. What you could do is actually hack. You could use a popular mechanism. Like, let me give you an example. So CrossFit is actually a big organization. I actually like CrossFit. So it was founded like 2000 of year. And you can see there are CrossFit gyms in Riga. So I'm from Latvia, so Riga. These people here are actually hacking. So they're creating a gym, but they're not saying we're just a fitness gym. They're saying we're a CrossFit gym. So we have more authority, and plus we immediately will get some market share because in our location, some people are naturally wanting to do CrossFit because CrossFit is this big thing from America and many people like it. It's big authority, etc. This happens in multiple places. Let me give you another example. So let's say you're a new coach starting your coaching career. So you could be saying, hey, I'm a brand new coach. I will help you with your personal development. Or you could go to Tony Robbins, which is a big coach. You could learn from him, get certification from him and say, hey, I'm a new coach, but I'm a Tony Robbins coach. And immediately you'll have more authority because more people know Tony than you, right? Makes sense because he's like many years in the industry. That's how you have more authority for your services. Plus, you will be able to differentiate yourself from, let's say, everybody else who's just a new coach without anything special about them, right? These are examples. The second big mechanism is to create your own mechanism. And a mechanism can be it's the same thing as we talked. It's a tool, it's a method, it's a system, it's a methodology. It is part of your service, which is unique, right? For myself, when you go into Sharpify, our website, you can see we have 3 kind of key things on what we do. So we have a professional service where the main goal is to get quality leads and appointments, and then we have sales software, which is the unique part where we have actual software that looks like this, that actually helps you to manage leads, get leads, nurture leads, follow up with leads, and close more deals. So that's how I have my own kind of uniqueness to it, right? Makes sense, right? And why should you think about it? So here's a perfect example to make this clear. So we will do X, this amount of value. We will do X with Y methodology in Z time. The time you could even not add. but immediately it will have flavor to it. It will have some finesse to it. You know, it's like a nice cigar. It has this more flavor, like the packaging is nice. It feels nice. This adds to that, right? So you can charge more, you can be more premium, and you will be perceived as more valuable to the customer's eyes. You can charge the same amount of money, but you will get better customer results because they will have more perception about your service, because it will feel like better. Like, that's the idea, right? And how to find your own. So here's a simple way. First, map out the exact process. You take a customer from them buying to them getting a result. And that will have some steps. And all you do, each step, name it with one word, and then put it as acronyms. So let's say prospecting, nurturing, closing. So PNC. So PNC method. Boom. That's one way. Second way is use your last name. If you look at Tony Hilfiger, if you look at Hugo Boss, if you look at, what else are there? Many clothing brands, right? Like Louis Vuitton. Like, those are actually people's names. So use your name, right? Use your first name, last name, mix them together, have your own system, method, da-da-da-da. Makes sense, right? It's like your own way how to find it, okay? Number 3, the last way how to position yourself in a unique way with a mechanism is to remix. It's taking standard things and mixing them together to have something unique, right? Let me give you some examples. So here's an example. It is a thing called Whoop, right? What did they mix? They mixed a fitness bracelet, an application, science, plus a subscription. Like, most of these things were not subscription. They added the subscription part, which made the business model different, which made the business more valuable, which made the customers more valuable, and made them more money, so they could be more aggressive on marketing, more aggressive on sales, more aggressive on R&D, right? 3.6 billion, right? Company. This one, it's a Peloton. So I hope I pronounced that right. So fitness technology plus social media on your fitness thing makes you want to work out more, makes it more interesting, plus the payment options they provide. Next option is Duolingo, education, gamification, language learning, right? Next example, farming, robotics, automation, FarmBot. Most of them have this mix of things. This one is a big one. So imagine Wim Hof. If you don't know him, he's a famous guy from Poland that does ice cold stuff with meditation, breathing. So imagine this guy. He doesn't do the cold stuff. So the only thing he does is breathing, meditating, teaching about mindfulness. But the only thing he does, he goes into a bath that is like like cold bath, but nothing special. No ice, no snow, nothing like that. Do you think he would be like so well known as right now if he didn't do the extreme? I bet you he wouldn't, because he does extreme stuff. The extreme cold therapy, the extreme coldness. That is what gets attention. So I recently had a client of mine. He said, I want to help people with personal development. And he was like, yeah, I do breath work, I coach people. But we're like, what's extreme about you? Like, what do you do that's like extreme? He's like, I do like skydiving. I'm like, bam, that's it. Like, I help you to like break your fears by skydiving, by experiments, by breaking the fear of jumping, of being in the free sky, like floating, like, you know, like I have done it once, so it's a really big experience if you haven't done it. So try that out. Like mixing yourself with something that is more extreme. And yes, it is difficult. So it is. It's like something that you need to kind of find about yourself, something that you like, something that you love, and try to find a mix of this extreme stuff. Here's another one. This is crypto, hamster, and news. Crypto has been long time, but this channel, as you can see here, it was actually launched in 2024. This hamster, they have the largest Telegram channel. They have one of the big, like, huge YouTube channel. I think, like, right now it's like they got 10 million subscribers in 6 days, organically. 6 days. They have 100 million players in 2 months. The idea here as well is they're remixing. If they would just have a channel about crypto with news style edits, like the news, like let's say CNBC, it will not blow up. But they added something like, what the hell is that? It's something new to the society, something new to the world, like a hamster talking about news, like you can see here, like this one. Like, that's the thing what I'm trying to do. Like, it's extreme. It's like, it's extreme, right? It's extreme idea. Makes it cool. And of course, the content is good, which they're promoting. So they have a good research team, of course, and the content is also fine, right? But this is the idea, right? And here's another one, quickly. Fitness, anime, biohacking. Again, something unique, okay? So, to recap, 3 types of mechanisms you could use. Hacking something that's popular, something that's trendy right now, and using it as your own. Second one, coming up with your own. And third one, remixing and adding one element that is extreme to the stuff you do. And that's how you can have more authority, raise your prices, and get better results. If you want our help, helping you to kind of figure this out, help you to generate leads, help you with sales, and have a software that helps you to kind of manage the leads and close more deals, check out the link below to apply for a free call with us, and we would love to get you started, and we would love to see if we could be helpful. So that's it for this video. Stay sharp, and I see you at the next video.